So here's a video about convenience in China again. As you can see, these days I'm having a nice ride from a friend who is currently in Germany, and at some point I got a flat tire on Monday or Tuesday, and one of the security guys told me that I have a problem, and there it is. So we went over to the garage, which is just 2 minutes walk from here, and told the guys, yeah, we have a flat tire, can you have a look at it? He came with the check, and now they're going back and fix it, and said it's 50 kwai, so let's roll. So here, arrived at the garage. As I said, it's just right opposite where we live. And yeah, I hope they fix it now. And here, BMW X6 from Hong Kong. Well, that looks like a proper garage actually, not just like the typical Chinese place where you can fix your motorbike, e-bike or your car. And you can be sure as heck about safety measurements here. As you can see, they're wearing all safety shoes. Actually, same goes for me. And the Ping An, following me at every video I take, huh? So now he's checking the wheel if it has any more holes. And here we are, it's done. It was done like in, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. Paid 50 RMB and it's finally good to go again. So let's go for a spin.